Hi everyone, if you have a list of HX codes and want to actually change the background color of the cells automatically, you will need a tiny VBA script. So first you need to press Alt plus F11 to open the VBA editor and then click on the insert and click on the module. Now paste the following code into the blank window. So I'll put the VBA macro way link to the description and where you can find it. And now close the VBA window and return to the Excel sheet. And now select the cell that contains your all HX codes. And now press Alt plus F8 and click Run. And here you can see that the cells will instantly color themselves based on the text values inside them. So I hope now you understand the VBA macro way to fill the cells colors automatically. If you think this video is helpful, please support my channel. Thanks for watching.